Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from your demo account in Expert Option. If you're new to trading, this is the perfect starting point to familiarize yourself with the platform. A demo account allows you to practice trading without risking real money. It's an invaluable tool for gaining experience. To access your demo account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see your account dashboard. Checking your balance is easy. Look for the Wallet section on your dashboard to find your demo balance. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal section found in your account settings. This is where the magic happens. Expert Option offers several withdrawal methods. Choose the one that suits you best, such as bank transfers or e-wallets. Fill out the withdrawal request form carefully. Make sure all of your details are accurate to avoid delays. Avoid common mistakes like entering incorrect bank details or submitting without verifying your account. Typically, withdrawal processing takes 1 to 3 business days. Be patient while your request is handled. In conclusion, withdrawing from your demo account is straightforward. Keep these tips in mind for a hassle-free experience.